Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can configure Zoho Mail in Outlook using PAP3 and IMAP. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your account and make sure that you have Outlook installed and that your Zoho Mail credentials ready. And this will help you access Zoho Mail directly from Outlook. And then what you will have to do once you logged into your Zoho is go to the settings and just go ahead and click that and scroll down a little, and then you will see mail accounts and go ahead and click that as well. And once you're here, what you will have to do is add email account and then add mail account, and then you will enable pop or IMAP access, and then basically you will just have to open Outlook, and then you will authenticate it, and then uh, enter the email address. And then once you have your Outlook ready, you will just have to, again, you will log into it, and you will click file, and then you will click add account, and after that you will enter your Zoho mail address, and then you will select advanced options, and then you will click let me set up my account manually, and then click IMAP or pop, and then you will input the following server settings. So it's basically just like, so these are the uh server settings. So make sure to actually input that, and that's basically just it. And finally, you will just have to test the account settings and then finish the whole setup, and then your Zoho mail and will now sync with Outlook. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found it helpful, and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.